So I decided to take the train to the end of the line just because why not? Well, I got this parking garage here. Looks like we got some glass elevators. Ooh, look, you can see up into the hoistway. These look like Synergies. They're far apart. And then there's, oh yeah, and then weird, there's like all this space. They could have made them way bigger. Anyway. Oh wow, I've never seen the buttons engraved like that. Elevator J02. Oh, my finger's in the shot, sorry. As usual, with every RTD elevator, it's got the sign telling you not to do any funny business. But the people conduct quite a bit of funny business anyway. Literally. People smoke crack in here. Ooh, that's cool. Well, people smoke crack in all the RTD properties. It's not particular just to this garage, but... And it's not particular to just crack. They do all the drugs. They don't discriminate. I wonder what that is. Oh look, that's kind of cool. You can like see up into this shaft. You know, I'll actually get another ride. Look, you can see the door operator. This is actually really neat. And we'll get a good view of everything going by. Put this in 0.5 camera. Oh, it's already there. You'll see the counterweight go by in a second here. There it goes. There's the other car. Go back up to 3. And then we'll get a view of these buttons. Ooh, it's got the scrolling arrow, that's nice. Oh, this is a good view. These are actually pretty nice for 3 floors. And we'll set it down, we'll watch it go. Wow, look how deep those door frames are. Wait, I want to get a... Oh god dang it, this camera is all... There we go. Interesting. You can see the Synergy motor up there. And then we'll watch, we can watch it go. There it goes. And there comes the counterweight. And that's it.